Alright guys, are ready for day 5. Alright, what jobs need to be done in a community? What jobs in a community? You could even call your grandparents and talk to them what jobs did they do in their community before they retired. Some of your grandparents might be working, so you can ask your grandparents what jobs they did in the community. What jobs they helped in the community. Alright, community, remember, community is a place and the people who live in it. You might have aunts or uncles or other family members that live in a different community. Occupation. An occupation is a job somebody does. So her occupation is a nurse. Did you know that males can be nurses too? That's right. Alright, astonishing. Astonishing means amazing or surprising. I want you to think of something that is amazing to you. Alright, equipment. Equipment is all the special things or supplies that you need to do something. I want you to think of a time where you used equipment in school to do your job, or even to do your job in the classroom. What equipment do you use? Alright, let's say fortunately. Fortunately means lucky. Ask your parents a time that you guys are very fortunate. Alright, let's do the sounds. I'm going to do the sounds, and you guys are going to blend the sounds together to form a word. Here we go. Men. O, X, less. Ek, neck. B, ed, bed. Good job. Alright, let's tap these words out. Ed, red. Make sure you're doing it with me. Ten. Pen. Alright guys, today I want you guys can use salt or write them on dry erase board or write them with crayons and markers. We're going to do these. Say, so, say. Are you ready? Leg. L-E-G. Leg. Beg. B-E-G. Beg. Min. M-E-N. Min. Hen. H-E-N. Hen. Head. H-E-A-D. Head. Bread. B-R-E-A-D. Bread. Grass. G-R-A-S-S. Grass. Spin. S-P-I-N. Spin. There. T-H-E-R-E. There. Again. A-G-A-I-N. Again. I can't wait to see what you guys did, how you made your spelling words. Alright, we're going to fill in the missing letters. Okay. We have leg. What's the vowel? If you said E, you're correct. F-O-E-G. Leg. Okay, then we have min. What's the first sound? What's the first sound? If you said you're right. This one was min. Here we go. This next one is hin. Hin. What's the first sound? You said you're correct. H. This one is head. Head. E. You put an E right here. You're right. Then we have bread. Bread. What's the last sound in bread? You said D. You're right. Then we have grass. Grass. We need another S. That's a bonus letter. This one right here we have is spin. Spin. What's the first sound that's missing? You said S. You're correct. And then you have there. T-H. If you said E, you're right. E-R-E. Then we have again. A. You said G right here. You're right. Alright, let's practice our sight words. You guys could write these, or you guys could even do them with shaving cream. Alright, or skywrite them. Here we go. This word is again. Again. And then you have help. Help. And then new. There. And use. Alright. guys have a word search. Let's look at these word search we have again. Let's see if we can find it again. Pause the video to see if you could do it. Oh, I found it. A-G-A-I-N down at the very bottom. Alright, we have help. H-E-L-P. Let's see if you could find it. You could point on your finger on the screen. Ready? Oh, I found it. It goes up and down. H-E-L-P. Help. New. New. Oop, I found it in the middle. N-E-W. New. It's in the middle. There. T-H-E-R-E. There. Okay. If you found it, it would be right on the left-hand side, up and down. T-H-E-R-E. There. Last one. Use. Use. Oop, I said towards the top. U-S-E. Use. Good job, first graders.